Happy Sunday, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. You guys get ready for church with me. So here I am, I've already gotten my shower, and I do believe I'm home by myself this weekend. I think this is the weekend that my children went with their dad. They had a family reunion on their dad's side, and so he picked them up and took them away for a couple of days. So here I am, getting ready to take myself to church. It's been a very long time since that has happened, but we all do the things that we have to do. I am trying to navigate. I was telling someone I was trying to navigate being an empty nester. Although my youngest two children still live at home, they are in their activities, different things that they do not need me for. And so I am trying to navigate that life, but I'm just getting ready for church. That's all I got going on here. Yeah, I'm going to put on a little bit of cologne, but I do want to share with you guys in this video, I've got a special review for you. You all know how girly I am, so I'm going to show you a few things in just 1 second. So here I am right now, just trying to make preparation. I do not like to leave my space in a mess, so I am going to take a few minutes here and get my bed made. Of course, it's just me and the dog, so it doesn't take a lot to get this bed made. So here I am, y'all, again, just making sure that I leave a tidy space when I'm heading out of the house. I do like to come home to a tidy space. Sometimes I manage to get the bed made. Sometimes I don't manage it, but I do my very best to try to manage it. And like I said, it's easy when it's just me and, of course, Mama. And because the little queen, she actually sleeps in her crate. She does not sleep on the bed with me at all. That's Mama's space, and we want to be mindful and respectful of that, because it was hard bringing a second dog into the house. And speaking of the little ma'am, there she is. And yes, we do call her little ma'am, or we call her Barbara Ann. We call her all kinds of things. But you guys, here's what I wanted to share with you. This is my bag, and you guys know that I'm a big bag girl, and I carry a lot of stuff with me. So this is what it normally looks like. That is the for sure amount of foolishness that I carry with me in my bag. So in order for me to be able to have a bag, I have got to have something that works with my personality, that works with all of the kids I have that throw their stuff in my bag, that works with the I'm on the go and I've got to, throw it in real quick and move out. And so here I am, just cleaning out some of these spaces. It has been a minute since I've cleaned out my purse. I've got mail from the mailbox in there. I took a trip, rented a vehicle. I've got some of that information in there, bubblegum wrappers, all the crazy things that you have when you are a mom. And so there it is, the real truth. But I did want to give a special shout out to this company who sent me this. If you look in that chair, you should see a little box. It's actually a big box. But I wanted to give a shout out to this company that sent me this bag, because they wanted me to try it out, and I wanted to give it a try. I'm always looking for a nice bag. I do color coordinate, I accessorize, I try to make sure my outfits look nice, and I am pretty much a girly girl. I love all things girly, all things feminine, all things woman, and they actually helped me out quite a lot by sending me a bag that I could try. I did have very specific requirements. The first requirement was I could not do a small bag, because if you look at the amount of foolishness that I am working my way through, you can tell that no, Shakema cannot do a small bag. The next thing was, I think that was the main thing. I didn't have a specific style in mind, although I don't do well with the cross bodies because my body is a little larger. And so I am a handbag or a shoulder bag type of individual, and those are the bags that I can appreciate. So here I am again, just going to kind of speed through, and actually I'm putting in some of the things that have migrated out of their homes. I keep certain things in my bag. What you just saw me put in was my minister's book. I always carry my minister's book with me because I might need it. And then, of course, I carry my Rachel Cruz wallet around with me. I'm just taking out receipts so that I can process those. And I'm just making sure that I have only the necessary or essentials in my bag. I do have some lip items that I keep with me most of the time. And I keep that in a small little pouch. And so there that is. I also keep my breath mints. And sometimes I get a little car sick, so I do keep peppermint in my bag. It's not sugar-free peppermint, but it does work for me. And then I also keep my lap cloth in there. And if you look to the left, my left, probably your right, that little black bag there is my earbuds that I use at church because I do sing. Alrighty, y'all, so let's jump in, right? I'm excited about this. This is a Louis Vuitton bag. I am super duper excited about this. I have a couple of name brand bags. I have a couple bags that aren't name brand. But my sister is really into quality bags, and so she likes a Louis Vuitton. I think she has several bags. I don't own one until now. And so here I am just doing a open on this. They packaged it extremely well. They take care of their products. So I'm just sharing with you what it looks like. I'm just doing an unboxing of this Louis Vuitton bag. All right, you guys, so let's get into this. So they sent me the Louis Vuitton Never Full PM Pink bag. And so this does come fully accessorized. It is real leather. It has a dust bag that it comes in. It also comes with their authentication cards, and it is very well secured. I like keeping my bags when I'm not using them inside of something that is going to protect them. With this being real leather, I want to make sure that it is well taken care of. And you also get a little wallet as well. So this comes in a set. So you get the bag as well as this little wristlet is what I'm going to call it. So, right, you get that little wristlet. And this is in the pink. It is 29 by 22 by 13. It is big enough to carry all of my things. Now, y'all saw the stuff that came out of that my old bag, right? So don't act like I don't have a lot of stuff. I needed something that would definitely fit all of my things, and this fit the bill. I still carry quite a few things with me all the time, between my business, between the ministry, between my personal life, between my kids. You know, I am carrying around just a ton of things. So I was excited to be able to have this additional wristlet. And so you see that this is packaged very well. All of your different components of this purse are very well wrapped. It's going to come and be very secure for you, and you're going to enjoy it and appreciate it. I like the fact that it is a handbag, so I'm carrying it on my hand. It's not a shoulder bag. My preference is a handbag over a shoulder bag. And so this worked out very, very well. They do still have this bag in stock, and I will have for you a discount code in the description box in case anybody is interested in this bag. You guys, they wrapped it up so well. It took me a minute to get everything out of it, or to get all of the packaging away from it. And so again, this worked out extremely well for me to be able to put all of my things in. I was going to church this morning, so I had extra stuff. You know, I'm always carrying my Bible and pens, pencils, all those types of things in addition to my normal. So here I am just checking it out to see how it stands. So it does, if you have to sit it on the floor or on a chair, which is what I generally do, is put it on a chair so it does stand well with no problem. And of course, once I put all of my things in it, it's going to fit extremely well with the things. And here are the girls. I had to get one a little escape artist from doing something she should not have been doing, because you all know that sometimes little dogs do things. Little dogs do little things. And I actually ended up keeping my box because I just appreciate it. And you can see there where I have all of my information, care information, card information. It does send you the information on how to care for your bag. If you've never had a higher end bag, there are specific care instructions that come along with it. And so they just want to be very safe and secure to make sure that you are taking care of your investment. We've talked about this before, that I normally would not have a bag that would, cost a lot of money. But as I have grown and matured, and as I have come out of debt, that is something that in my more mature phase that I would invest in myself, is a bag that would cost me a little bit, because I'm looking at longevity over just having multiple bags. So I'm looking to have something that is going to last me for a while. And so I would, at this stage of my life, do more of an investment, right, for myself. That's not something I would have done in the past when I was in debt and I owed people money and I was trying to work myself, my children, my family, everybody out of that debt space. But here I am now in this more mature stage, and for very sure I would invest. So here you see me putting all of my things minus the trash back into this purse, and it actually fit everything quite well. I did use the back zipper because there's a zipper inside to put a few things that I use on a regular basis. I did not use the wristlet, but I did keep it inside of my bag so that when I needed to use it, that I could grab it out very quickly with no problem. So I just stuck it right back into the bag, and it worked out. Even with all the things that I had sitting in there, that pen did not have a top on it, so I wanted to be very careful about putting it in the bag, because pen, ink, marks, and I didn't want any of those. And so here I am just clipping. There's a clasp that keep your purse together, so I just clip that. And then, of course, my sister has a bag that looks very similar to this, but she has a darker version of this same exact bag. And she loves her Louis Vuitton bags. Again, this is my very first bag, and I really appreciate it. It fit everything that I needed. And again, this is a never full. This company is Bagsaaa, and so I will put a link in the description box below for anyone that is interested in purchasing a bag from them. Yes, I was making sure that the girls were taken care of, checking my time because I did have to sing this day. I'm on my way out, and yeah. Alrighty, you guys, before I ended the video, I just wanted to jump back in here and first of all, thank Bagsaaa so much for sending us this bag. It is very nice. It's a good quality. It's one of those things for me in my latter years that make me feel very feminine, that make me feel like a woman. And so I'm very appreciative of them for sending me the bag. There's also going to be a discount code for all of you guys. Check the description box below to see what that code is in case you want to get you a bag. If I were going to go down the list of things that I did not love about this bag, there's one thing. So when I initially was looking at bags, I'm always real mindful because, again, I carry a lot of stuff. And the straps on the top are very thin. I like more of a thicker strap because I have a lot of stuff. Since you've seen the video, it's been about 2 weeks and I'm just carrying it around, and I have accumulated more stuff that probably should not be in that bag, but it is in the bag, right? And so because of that, I am dealing with kids, I'm at work, this project, that thing, dump it in the purse. I'll deal with it when I get home. And so for that reasoning, I like a thick strap. These are very thinner straps than what I'm used to. So that was the only thing that I think I would have chosen different, would be the strap on the top of the bag. And again, I like an arm bag, one that I could carry here. I will do a shoulder bag if I have to. Not necessarily my favorite. I am trying to love crossbody bags, especially for short trips, things I just need to have my debit card, have my cell phone, and I'm out, right? If I don't need all of my things, like we went to the beach the other night and I did not want to take my my bag out to the beach. So I just threw everything in a crossbody because I don't use my bags for special occasions. When I have a bag, that's my bag for the season. It could be my bag for the year, and it's still relatively hot, which is why I got a light color. And you know, so I have bags that I use all the time. I kind of really will use a bag out. As I have acquired a few name brand bags, I do try to interchange them just so that the life is preserved over that bag. But if you're interested, there'll be a link down in the description box below of the website, and then of the bag that I chose so that you can see it specifically. There's a ton of pretty bags up there. There are some other ones that, hey, I would have loved to pick a couple more, or, you know, hey, as I save up money, I'll be able to pick another one and, you know, purchase it for myself. Tell my kids, hey, this is what I want for Christmas gift, birthday gift, that type of thing. So anywho, I just wanted to thank you all so much for stopping by and hanging out with me and watching me organize my purse, because it is a real thing. If you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Hit that little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. Please make sure that you are subscribed. We are fluctuating in our subscribers, which makes everything else fluctuate. We do want to make sure that I'm staying in the algorithm. So like if you're able, only like the videos that you do like, right? And we appreciate that. We do want to thank you again so much for stopping by, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye now.